Lunch, so most of the students are feeling fresh. So now please have a look towards this topic and we will review this once again. Actually, today's our topic is exact differential equation. Exact differential equation. But before starting this exact, I want to review once again till what we have completed. We start with the ordinary differential equations, its definition, its implementations, and its uses. And it's two types. It has two types: ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. Then we come towards the second topic, which was the important topic in this OD, that is ordinary differential equation. That was order and the degree. We have successfully completed that, and most of the students who have asked some questions and queries, and that was successfully completed. Then after that, we are on the topic that how to solve the differential equations. Actually, there are so many methods where we can solve the differential equations, and for especially we know that the first is variable separable. Means to solve the differential equations, we are doing nothing. We are separating the variables, and we are taking the integrations on both sides, and with this we are solving the differential equations. And number second, that is homogeneous equations. With this, we are seeing that if any differential equation is in the form of kx, ky, f of kx, ky is equal to k of f of xy, and we are taking the integral on the both sides, and with this way we are solving that type of method, which is the second method of the ordinary differential equation. And third, which we are going today to solve, that is known as exact differential equation. And today we are going to have an introduction and solve some questions, and I hope some queries will be from the students, so that we will start this exact. And any differential equation is said to be exact if it is in the form of mdx plus mdy is equal to 0, but it has a condition that if and only if dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, then the differential equation is said to be exact. Means any differential equation is said to be exact if mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, if and only if. Means there is a condition that there should be dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, and that equation is said to be an exact differential equation. Now, what is the solution for there? That is the question. Sir, we know that we have got that we can make any differential equation in terms of mdx plus ndy. But sir, question is how we can find the solution? That is the important thing. I will tell you that method, or you can say that rule, how to find the solution of exact differential equations. First of all, step number first, identify the given equation and write it in the form of mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. Yeah, there will be different types of question. Which type of the question should have, but you have to make it in terms of this type. So step number second, that is the working rule. You can say working rule, or you can say the method, you can say whatever you will like. Step number second, we have to find dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x, we have to find dou m by dou x. But dear students, keep it in mind, we are on the topic that is a partial differential equation. Okay, that is the beauty of the mathematics. You see, we are not on the differentiation, we are not on the dy. Dear students, we are on the dou y, and you know that here we have to keep the constant x, and here we have to keep the constant y. And step third, taking integration on both sides, we get, you have to take the integration on the both sides of the equation, and with this we will get the solution. That is step number 4, and solve the integral and find the solution. And you solve these integrals and you will get the result. That is integral of m dx plus integral of n dy is equal to 0. Here y constant, here you can write it as, I will write it in here as terms excluding the x. You have to write in this the terms which are totally excluding the x, and here in the first integral you have to keep the y constant. These are the four methods, these are the four steps which we can use to find the solution of any exact differential equation, and that is what we are known as, sometimes it is called as method first. That is, dear students, I want to inform you that in your book there have been given 5 different methods which we have to find the solution of the exact differential equations, and I will solve some questions, 1-2 questions, so that you will get, and it may be easy to find them. This is the equation, we have to solve it, and let us see towards the board, and I will solve it. I hope you will get it within a quick time. See, the given equation, what is the first step? First step is that identify the given equation. The given equation is, that is 2x minus y plus 1 dx plus 2y minus x minus y dy is equal to 0. That is the equation number first. Now compare it with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Dear students, we have to find m and we have to find n. That means m is equal to 2x minus y plus 1 and m is equal to 2y minus x minus y. Here clearly you can say that with the dx it is m, so clearly m is this, and with the dy it is n, so this part is n, and that is what I have done. Now dou m by dou y, that is equal to minus 1, because we are on the partial differentiation, we are not on the integration, we are on partial differentiation. That means we are keeping x constant, and dear students, dou n by dou x is equal to minus 1. So see that dou m by dou y is equal to minus 1, and dou n by dou x is also equal to minus 1. So with this we can say that here dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. So we can say that the given equation is exact equation. Okay. Now we will find the solution. Now step number 5. how to find the solution. The solution is that is integral of y constant m dx plus integral of m dx, but keeping the x, only those terms which are excluding the x. So here it will be 2y minus 1 dy, which implies that integral of 2x dx minus integral of y dx plus integral of dx plus integral of 2y dy minus integral of dy. And with this solution we are getting it 2x square by 2 y dx x plus x plus 2y square by 2 minus y. Cancellation, which implies that x square yx x plus y is the required solution of given differential equation. That is, with this type we can solve any differential equation which is exact. But you can see in the next steps that how we can solve those equations which are not exact. That means in method number 2 you will see that they will not be equal and the equation will not be exact. We have been given some methods to how to solve that. Types of questions which are not exact, but we can make them exact with the method. Okay, this is the method number 1.